And good morning Facebook, it's Chippy Friday. Welcome to another video from the SimplyDiag Community Hub here in sunny Cheshire. And it is, apparently it's going to be a short stay. So that can't be bad, can it? Oh dear. So what we got going on today, we've got Stuart's on his way for a ride along. So Stuart will be here for his SimplyDiag members ride along day. And we've got, what else have we got coming in? We've got an Audi coming in with a wiring fault. Customers tried to do his own brakes and broke the harness that does the ABS sensor and the pad warning and all that. So we'll go and have a look at that. Morning Ross, how are you mate? Morning Dave. We've got, what else have we got coming in? We've got a Mercedes coming in for an airflow issue, an airflow fault. We've got to do a bit of work on Thunderbird 5. Thunderbird 5's got a few gremlins, and Thunderbird 2, interior lights have stopped working. So what's that all about? Morning Keith, how are you mate? Morning Mike. Yeah, morning Leon, how are you mate? So yeah, busy day today, and just in now getting, I've got the floor clean, getting everything prepped ready for Stuart. It's going to be an awesome day. Morning Peter, how are you mate? Stephen's here from Australia. Chippy Friday already. You be knocking off now, mate, won't you? Oh dear. Morning, Sean. Mike's in there. Morning, Mike. Morning, Danny. It's all right here. Look, the sun's just coming out. I'll show you now. Yeah, the sun's just peeping out above the units.
Hello.
Yeah, and you can see the sun shining behind me there. So yes, awesome. Yeah. So anyway, listen, I will not keep you much longer. So without further ado, it's your birthday today, Chippy Friday, 1st September. I mean, dear departed Nan's birthday as well. Happy birthday. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed you, happy birthday. It's your birthday tomorrow or over the weekend, happy birthday. My little bro's coming up this weekend, and my niece, so I'm really looking forward to seeing them. We're going to have an awesome weekend, so whatever you're doing, be awesome. Thanks for watching.